In 2025, trading crypto without the right tools is like racing a Tesla on flat tires. You will get nowhere fast, while others are already cashing out on the moon. If you are tired of losing trades, second-guessing entry points, or just wondering how the pros keep winning, this video is your game changer. Today, we are breaking down the top crypto trading tools you need in 2025, free and paid, the ones that give everyday traders an unfair advantage. But here is the kicker. I am not just listing tools. I am showing you how traders use them in real-world scenarios, and I am saving the most powerful tool, the one hedge funds use, for last. Stay tuned, because halfway through, I am also dropping a tool that most people think is just for memes. But it is printing money for those in the know. Let's dive in. 1. TradingView, your mission control dashboard. Whether you are a swing trader, a day trader, or just someone who checks Bitcoin while microwaving pizza rolls at midnight, TradingView is your go-to. Real-time charts, customizable indicators, backtesting strategies, social community with public trading ideas. There is a free plan, but if you want more indicators, alerts, and faster data, go pro. Meet Jake. He is 27 and lives in Austin. He used to trade on gut feelings and lost $8K in 3 months. Then he found TradingView and set alerts on RSI and MACD crosses. He made that back in 1 month. Moral? Data beats emotion. But what if you want AI to read those charts for you? Tool number 2 does just that. 2. Tensor Charts, heat maps for smart money. Tensor Charts is not just a heat map. It is like X-ray vision for the order book. It shows where whales are stacking orders, spoofing moves, or preparing for a pump or dump. Combine this with TradingView and suddenly you are reading the matrix. The free tier provides some tools, but the pro version unlocks CVD, advanced heat maps, and footprint charts. A trader I know caught a Sol pump before it hit Twitter, just by watching whales stack by walls on Tensor. But you are not about charts at all. What if you want real-time signals with zero chart watching? 3. CryptoQuant. Institutional-grade on-chain analytics. On-chain data comes from a public ledger system that allows people to look into all recorded transactions. Utilizing this transparency, raw blockchain data containing information such as coins, sent amount and time, wallet address, and fees being paid to a miner, which shows the details of the activities via transaction, can be extracted from on-chain data. There is little room for hiding in the on-chain process, and being on-chained lets you be the watcher of the Bitcoin network. Upon this raw information, if we put our resources into analyzing them, the on-chain analysis can be a new framework for Bitcoin valuation, allowing traders to establish an edge. With on-chain analysis, traders can see what happens in the networks, which lie in price movement. For example, exchange flow data gives us an insight into major players' money flow in the networks. CryptoQuant aims to provide full historical on-chain and market data, allowing you to build an in-depth understanding of the markets and leading you to make robust trading strategies. Blockchain data is indeed public for everyone to see, but it is hard to interpret. Everyone says blockchain activities are open and decentralized, but what good is there if we cannot see them? It is difficult for everyone to know what to look for in a single transaction data. That is where CryptoQuant comes into play. CryptoQuant first collects all the data from the transactions on the blockchain. When on-chain data gathering is done, defining them adds additional meaning. For example, CryptoQuant differentiates blockchain data only involved with exchanges' wallets and extracts second-hand information, such as the total amount deposited in the exchange or how much has flown into exchanges in a given time. This second-hand information significantly impacts trading by providing investors with valuable insight. Market sentiment, deciphered through the work of on-chain analysis, is a linchpin in understanding the dynamics of cryptocurrency markets. The on-chain analysis delves into the real-time transactions recorded on the blockchain, unraveling insights that extend beyond surface-level market trends. Realized value, a key metric in on-chain analysis, encapsulates a cryptocurrency's actual worth based on its coin's movements over time. This contrasts with market value or capitalization, providing a nuanced perspective that reflects the exact value of active coins rather than the entire supply. By examining on-chain data, analysts can discern shifts in market sentiment, whether it be the actualization of bullish or bearish trends. This process contrasts off-chain data, offering a more granular and accurate portrayal of investor behavior. In a landscape where the market's pulse is determined by intricate on-chain analysis, distinguishing between realized value and market capitalization is paramount for crypto traders navigating the dynamic currents of the cryptocurrency space through market intelligence. CryptoQuant gives you the data that whales use, on-chain metrics like exchange inflows, miner reserves, whale movements, and leverage ratios. You do not need to be a data scientist. Their dashboards tell you precisely what is happening under the hood. A free version is surprisingly rich, but Pro gives you alerts, historical data, and deep insights. Before the last major crash, ETH whales moved coins onto exchanges. CryptoQuant users saw this, but Twitter did not. Speaking of crashes, what if you could know when to exit a trade with laser accuracy? 4. LuxAlgo, the secret weapon for entry and exit signals. LuxAlgo is one of the most hyped and high-performing trading tools in 2025. It is not just about buying or selling signals. It gives trend strength, volume analysis, and innovative money concepts baked into your TradingView charts. Works with any asset. No repainting indicators. Used by thousands of pros. It is paid only, but if you trade with any size, it will likely pay for itself in one trade. A friend calls LuxAlgo her money compass. She uses it to scalp ETH and has a win rate above 70%. But what if you are a mobile-first trader who does not want to open 16 browser tabs? This next one's for you. 5. TabTrader. Trade anywhere, anytime. TabTrader is a sleek, mobile-first app that lets you connect all your exchange accounts in one dashboard. Trade on the go, get alerts, and set stop losses all from your phone. It is like a Bloomberg terminal in your pocket. The free version works great. Pro removes ads and gives you more customizable alerts. Remember our pizza rolls at midnight trader? He caught a breakout on TabTrader while waiting for an Uber. But what if you are done guessing and want AI to trade for you? Let's talk bots. 6. 3Commas. Smart bots for smart traders. Commas is like your digital intern, except it does not sleep and is good at buying dips. Automated trading bots, smart trading terminals, trailing stop losses, copy trading. It works with major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. There is a free version, but most people use advanced to unlock unlimited bots and features. I knew a nurse who used 3Commas DCA bots during her 12-hour shifts. In 6 months, she built a 10K side account. But what if bots creep you out? Maybe you want to know which coins are about to explode. 7. CoinMarketCal. The crypto calendar. You never knew you needed. CoinMarketCal tracks major crypto events, mainnet launches, token unlocks, halving events, and partnerships. The best traders use it to front-run hype. If Cardano's dropping a Hydra update next week, you bet someone's positioning early. It is free and way underused. One guy made 40% on Matic just by watching a Coinbase listing leak on CoinMarketCal, which then went viral. Let's be honest. Crypto trading is the only game where adults get excited about something called Hydra Fork V2. Like, what are we, wizards? But let's turn serious. What if you could analyze social media sentiment in real time? 8. Lunar Crush. Trade the hype, not the hope. Lunar Crush pulls Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube data and ranks coins based on social volume, engagement, and sentiment. It tells you what is trending before the market reacts. Perfect for momentum traders. The free version is solid. Pro gives deeper analytics and insights. A trader caught a Pepe coin pump hours before it exploded, just from Lunar Crush alerts. But if you like to keep it classic, old school, hardcore TA, tool number 9 will be your sanctuary. 9. Coinigy. For the hardcore technical trader. Coinigy is an all-in-one trading terminal with charting, trading, portfolio tracking, and multi-exchange access. Think of it as Bloomberg meets crypto. Powerful layout, lightning-fast executions, deep analytics. It's paid only but worth every cent if you trade serious volume. Professional desk traders use Coinigy to manage 10-plus positions across exchanges from one screen. And now the tool I promised. The one that hedge funds are quietly using in 2025. 10. Santiment. Institutional insights. Without the Ivy League price tag sentiment is where crypto fundamentals, social metrics, and on-chain data intersect. It gives insights into token age consumed whale behavior, developer activity, network growth. It is like having a quant team without paying six figures. A free dashboard is helpful, but Pro gives you the real magic. A hedge fund reportedly used Santiment to spot airdrop-fueled exit pumps before they happened. Want to trade like the pros? Then stop using amateur tools. There you have it, the 10 best crypto trading tools of 2025. Some are free. Some are paid. All are powerful. But remember, tools do not make you profitable. How you use them does. Which of these tools are you trying first? Drop a comment with your go-to setup. Like this video if you find something new. Subscribe because next week I will reveal the exact blueprint pro traders use to manage risk and maximize gains without watching charts all day.